Good morning and welcome to Occam's Razor, gardening, cooking, and canning, where we do a daily update on the growth of the garden. If you're following us on YouTube, please give us a like. If you're following us on Rumble, please give us a follow. Well, the raspberry bush continues to give me some berries for breakfast. Should be a ripe one here. Yeah. The turmeric wash or spray was done on berries. I mean, this squash. Oh, these are good. So we will see how the squash turned out. And our oldest pepper plant is also the only one not yet to produce peppers. Even its cousin that was planted here at the same time is giving me some gnarly looking peppers. And tomatoes continue to come in a little. Only good for tomato paste for me. And even then, when I use tomato paste when I cook, I still get a bit of a reaction. Oh, my other peppers, just massive. Well, I also have zucchini to can today. So many zucchini exploded in size yesterday, which usually happens. But yeah, bottom shelf of the fridge is full. All right. Here's our potato patch. The one in the ground that, in spite of the black filly beetles, is doing much better than the one in the box. How's the pestilence going? Doesn't seem too bad. I'm not seeing any. I'll usually just keep looking till I find a black flea beetle. I mean, you can see them hanging around on a leaf, and then they leap off when you get too close, like this one. Yeah, there. Okay. Continue with the spray. Our beans have yet to produce. A lot of flowers. A lot of tiny little red beans started, I could see. So maybe today we will start getting some beans. I mean, I've had a few handfuls to fry up, but nothing to write home about. Our onion patch that has been harvested has been replanted. Now, the vine borer beetles that keep laying the eggs on these, they're getting tricky. They're purposefully now going around and only laying a couple of eggs here and there. I think they're catching on. Well, let's see if we have any fresh zucchini today. I doubt it. Oh yes, there's one over there. And hanging off the edge down here. Yes, well, I guess that one there is just about ready. We will save it for the next batch. Well, I'm quite happy with how I've been able to coax these plants, and I'm gonna have to get another stake. Well, these leaves have lasted so long. I mean, they're just massive. So everything got a good turmeric spray. And look at that, eh? It's growing right up the top. That's what I wanted. And that's what I was hoping for. There we go, still coming along. Same thing with up there. And what happened here? Oh, it looks like a vine borer. Must have missed getting some eggs. Now they've just completely munched on that plant. Nope, can't get them all. Wow, how much does this weigh? No. I don't know. 6-7 pounds? Mostly water. So, what is that? $2 a pound, $3 a pound now? Okay, well, the garden is just doing wonderfully and giving me lots of work. Like the canning I have to do today. All right, let's go in the front and look at Butch. Well, still stretching out, just about done. Should be able to rip them out soon. Oh, disturbed the squirrel in the box. Where you going there, little squirrel? Hey, what you doing? Keeps hanging around my garden box, feeding off the scraps I throw out here for the birds. Ah, yes. Seeing some flowers starting down there. And let's make sure. Well, these vines here are going to have to make their way closer to the ground if the pumpkins start on that flower. Now, how we doing here? This is Butch, by the way, Butch right here. So make sure our milkweed, don't need that. Okay, nice big flower. That's just a male flower. Another big milkweed here. What's... There we go. Okay. It's not... Oh, is that... That doesn't look like a pumpkin. Well, I know I threw in some squash plants in here, or seeds as well, so this may be a squash plant. Okay, well, as you can see, the leaves are doing really nice because they got sprayed with the turmeric milk spray. And so to this one. Oh, look at this, eh? You're gonna grow up here. You're aiming for the sun, but Gonna have to rip that vine down to the ground if I want. If it's a pumpkin plant. Guess we won't find out till the fruit starts. Oh wow, look at this. Just desperate to get out there. And speaking of desperate, are we still killing off the morning glories? Yeah. So far the squash doesn't need any help. And that one down there is even starting to flower. Interesting. Even though it's so small. Okay. Well, our morning glory all the way up. All right. If you hung out to the end, I really appreciate it. And we'll give you an update again tomorrow. We'll see you then. Bye-bye.